The sustainable use of natural resources is one of the world's greatest challenges, particularly in sensitive ecosystems. The Maputoland coastal plain stands out as a landscape of extraordinary significance. To safeguard the region's future, agriculture practices must adapt to become resilient against irregular rainfall and droughts on these sandy soils through innovative solutions, particularly in bio-based technologies, which can enhance biodiversity, improve water management, and build resilience to climate extremes.